In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename your Squarespace website. Whether you're rebranding, updating your site with a new focus, or simply want a fresh start, renaming your website can be a straightforward process with just a few clicks. So let's dive into it. First, you want to begin by logging into your Squarespace account and navigating to your site's dashboard. This is the control center for your website, where you can manage all your sites and adjust various settings. If you're not familiar with the Squarespace dashboard, don't worry. It's designed to be user-friendly. Once logged in, you'll see a list of your sites if you're managing multiple ones. Select the site you wish to rename, which will bring you to that specific site's dashboard. After you've accessed your website's dashboard, look for the button or option that says Edit. Click on it. Being in the edit mode opens up all sorts of possibilities for customization, allowing you to change content, design, and for our purposes, the website title itself. Next, we need to focus on the header area of your site. Move your mouse over this section and a small option should appear that says Edit Site Header. Click on it. This is where most of your site's branding elements, like your logo and site title, reside, and it's where we'll be making our changes. Now, you should see your current site title or logo. Click on this element and you should notice a pencil icon appearing, which indicates you can make changes. Click that pencil icon to enter the edit mode for your site title. This is a handy feature for when you want to alter the visual elements of your website easily. In this edit mode, you will find a site title field. Here, you can type in the desired new name for your website. This is your chance to input the new brand name, a different focus, or any wording you want your visitors to see at the top of your page. Make sure you're satisfied with what you type, as this will be the primary identity for your visitors when they land on your home page. Once you've entered the new site name, there's just one last step to complete. Look for the Save button, typically located at the top right or bottom of your editing screen, and click on it. This will apply all the changes you've made. And that's it. With these steps complete, your Squarespace site now has a fresh new name. It's a quick update that can make a big difference in how your brand is perceived by your audience. Remember, a well-chosen name can help set the tone for everything else on your site, so choose wisely and enjoy the new look and feel of your online presence.